Are you tired of spending thousands of dollars and weeks testing new ad creatives only to watch them flop? But what if I told you that you could legally take a winning competitor's ad and use AI to recreate that ad structure in well under 30 minutes? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to clone, remix, and bulk generate viral ads from start to finish, all without ever leaving your browser. Max Fusion AI is the project we're going to be looking at today, ladies and gentlemen. And it's absolutely awesome because you can basically go to a competitor, for example, pick any viral winning ad and actually use that structure to seamlessly recreate it with Max Fusion, copying and creating successful creatives. And this is going to dramatically speed up your process. From the moment you get that idea to having a finished production, you can start scaling to generate profit. Super efficient. You're going to save a ton of time and potentially even more money, not to mention avoiding a lot of headaches. You've got some really useful tools like Banana Clone, Seed Dance 2.0, UGC Blast, Settings Blast, and also Copy Lab, so you can quickly copy winning ads without having to worry too much, even about prompting. And it really does help you generate super believable, realistic UGC actors fast, as you can see with some of the models on the screen right here. Really impressive, extra realistic. So this is an example of a woman actually on Facebook Meta talking about some lipstick, or at least showing it off. So what we want to do is use this as inspiration. Now, remember, we're not actually copying them. We're not going to get into trouble or anything like that. We're just going to go ahead and take inspiration from something that's already successful and use it to basically simplify our own workflow. We're going to hit Copy Lab here. We're going to bring that new project on board. Basically, what we're going to do is drop that Meta lipstick ad in here. It's as simple as that. And we're just going to hit Start Analysis right now. And just like that, it's going to give us the different segments, the different parts of the shot, and the different timestamps. It's bringing in your key moments and gives us the summary. Everything is here, fully detailed, so we know exactly how to approach the situation. So for example, we can go to the first one here, and we can actually select Add to Images. Second one here, we can go in there. We can actually add that to images as well. And maybe we can go for a frame 5 and add that to the images too. Okay, so let's come over here now. So we've currently got these images right here all selected, and we can go ahead here and change this over to Banana Clone. We can drop that image in there, and yep, that looks good. All right, so as we can see, we've got our variation here. So as you can see, they have changed the model here. All right, so we've got our very own model. And what I'd really like to point out is the consistency between the actual models and the shots. So we're happy to choose that one to continue. And we're going to click on Riz here. We're going to show you how this one works. Going to upload that IAP. We can basically choose the voice. So you might want to take some time just to make sure you get that voice right. That was Amanda. So yeah, basically got a summary of the text. We can go ahead if we're happy. Once we're happy, we can generate that audio in Riz. Once we're happy, we can save that audio and we can go ahead and just generate that video. Shows us how many tokens it's going to take, so full transparency, which is really, really good. And we can hit generate on the video.
The perfect lipstick isn't just about color. It's about confidence, a smooth application, a comfortable feel, and a look that lasts throughout your day. Rich color, beautiful finish, effortless elegance. Whether you're heading to work, meeting friends, or preparing for a special occasion, this lipstick helps you look and feel your best. Luxury beauty made simple. Because confidence starts with the perfect shade.
I don't know what you guys think, but that was pretty impressive in my opinion. So really good lip syncing, as you can see with the text. The lip movements were extremely accurate. The voice really fitted the actual model really well. And the model, in my opinion, was quite a bit more attractive than the previous model used. I think that it's great because essentially this is marketing, and it's good that they're able to create these kinds of models that can really get you sucked and drawn into the actual generation and the advert. Because I'm telling you right now, that really had me drawn in. That was pretty impressive. So let's go over to the storyboard in the new project section here, and we can basically go here to scene 1, select image. Again, just highlighting the consistency between the shots. So if we want to select that first image there, let's have a look. Okay, let's go generate all on that. 400 tokens required for that. We've got our generation there. So again, this is in the storyboard section. We're basically mixing up all the different scenes here, the videos. All right, let's have a look. So as we can see, we've got all the different movements here. Cool. And once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and just download all the media. Pretty impressive, right? Now, folks, do remember that you should only be creating professional ads that you are happy to be out there in public. So don't do stuff that's related in any way to things like pornography, violence, anything like that. Anything that could potentially be offensive. Just make sure you avoid all that and you should be fine. And remember, don't just let AI write the entire script without a little bit of thinking and positioning. Use AI as the tool, but make sure it's your idea. Make sure you're reading over it again and making sure you're happy with the prompts, the generations, the scripts before you actually finalize on those generations to get them out there and start earning those big bucks with Max Fusion. Stop wasting budget on creative ads that just don't convert. Click the link in the description to get signed up to Max Fusion AI, get your tokens, and start scaling your winning ads today.